Alright, I'm going to show you how to save this program. So first we're going to go up to File, click that, and Save. Now you're going to click on the file name space, gives you a keyboard, and then I'm just going to type in UR file, use an underscore, file, and then submit. Alright, so that's saved. Now I'm going to show you how to use the help option here. So if you see up on the top, you got a white question mark. So you click it, and then across the whole page, you're going to see these red question marks. So you can click any of those, and it'll bring you to a Wikipedia file. And it just tells you what's going on. You can click the arrows to go through all the different ones, or you can just click it again and go to another one. So if we go to this page, I hit the question mark, I can click any of these spaces here, and it'll bring me up a help menu to tell me what's going on. Alright, next, we're going to open up this file, and we're going to run the program. So we go back to the welcome screen, we're going to hit Run Program, and then we're going to go File, Load Program, and then we're going to find our file, UR file. There it is. UR file, open. That's going to bring it to the screen. We're going to hit the play button. Now you're going to hold down auto. When you hold down auto, the robot's going to move to its first position. And you can see that first position here for a second. Alright, so that's our first position. Now I'm going to hit OK, and I'm going to hit play, and the robot should be going through its program. Now this is a cobot, so I'm going to show you what happens when I put my hand in the way. You can't do this with any of the other robots, but when I hit it, it stops. And then it gives us a protective stop warning on the screen. So if you ever crash the robot, if you ever hit anything, it's going to go to this, it's going to say protective stop, enable robot, and then hit play again, and it'll go right back to running through the program.